Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you how to remove this old and worn rubber eye cup from your Bolex and apply a new rubber eye cup that we have here, economy eye cup from Bolex Repair Philippines. Alright, so first you got to remove this one. And what you do is extend the diopter right here. Take your thumb and finger, hold just like so, the diopter, and pull the old rubber eye cup down, just straight down. It's probably going to be sticky and gooey on to the eyepiece, the diopter right here. All right. So what you'll have to do is take some rubbing alcohol. Here my pencil eraser is, some Q-tips, and clean around here. All right, and just get that old stuff off. Okay. So next, what you want to do, of course, is you want to apply the new rubber eye cup. And inside of here, there we go. You can see that at the end of my pencil eraser, there is an opening, an incision, if you will, all the way around the perimeter of the inside of the eye cup, just like that. Kind of like a tire on a car. And here, between these two pieces, at the end of my pencil eraser on the viewfinder, is where you want to put that. So, in other words, just take this, put it on there just like that, okay, and work it all the way around, just like so. Turn it around there. Pull it down. Some people have even told me that you had to soak it in hot water a little bit, the eyepiece, and there we are. Generally, they go on really easily with no problem. All right, so there's your new eye cup. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, questions, and servicing. The same email at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. Also, Twitter for faster response at Paul Morbid. And for gory experimental horror films, visit the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.